Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for tuning into another video here. So today we're going to kind of tackle a little bit more aesthetics on the car. I've only got a few things left that I want to do as far as visual mods currently to the car, and one of the biggest ones since I purchased the car and I've just been waiting on parts is this front grille. It's not the worst looking thing in the world, but it's, you know, one, it's stock, and two, it's just not really for me. I didn't really care for the sport grille. I liked the honeycomb that it had on it, but it only comes in gloss black. And if you've kept up any with my channel, I don't really care for the gloss black look. Everything I have is either paint matched or it's this matte finished gray. I like everything kind of that monotone. So anyways, I've kind of been waiting. I had my eye from the previous gen, the VAs, the kind of sunk in, dished in style grills. And I've been waiting. They've had Noble made some carbon fiber ones. I'm not a huge carbon fiber fan. Actually, I've deleted every bit of carbon fiber on this car. And so I've been waiting for the paint matched, and they've had every color but my magnetite gray. Finally, Import Image Racing finally said, hey, we got a new shipment in, we've got your magnetite gray, let's get this thing done. So that's what we did. I got with Dane and Josh out there, both great guys, take great care of me, and we got that ordered. So without further ado, and this is it. This is absolutely gorgeous. And the paint match, of course, in the sunlight, it may be slightly different, but here underneath my lighting, it's dead on. And so I'm excited to get this thing on. Should be a fairly simple install. Of course, they send you the grill, and they send it in this like felt sleeve bag with a whole crap load of wrapping. This thing is so tightly wrapped and packaged. It's amazing. And then they send you as well the mounting hardware. If I'm not mistaken, inside here is the emblem, like a replacement black emblem if you want. Yeah, it's a paint matched emblem. So if I wanted, I could put the paint matched emblem back on it and then get myself another you know, sticker to match, or you could get your sticker to match if you wanted. That's not gonna be for me. I want the car as clean and sleek as I can, so I'm leaving the badge off. So without further ado, excuse the dirty ass car. We're gonna get it washed after I put this on. It's pretty bad right now. Bird crap on it. I haven't washed it in about a week or two. First thing you're gonna wanna do obviously is pop the hood, and then we're gonna get up underneath here. There's gonna be a few extra steps on mine. I'll just cover real fast that you won't have to do unless of course you're in the same boat as me. One is I'm gonna have to take my front tow hook off. If you don't have a tow hook, obviously you don't have to worry about that. And two, I have my lip here, so we'll have to work around that lip as well. But let's go ahead and get underneath the hood and get this started. We're now under the hood. You're gonna need two tools to do this. One, you're gonna need a flathead, just a simple flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna need a 10mm socket. You can use impact if you want, or if not, just ratchet, whatever, just 10mm. So there's gonna be 6 bolts that we're gonna take out, 3 on each side. So let's get those out real fast. So now that we have those out, you're gonna have push pins here. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 right here. So you just kind of come up underneath with the flathead screwdriver, pull up, and then the whole thing should come completely out. Okay, and then the last thing is there's another like push down style. There's gonna be 2, one on each side, and you'll come to the center of it and push down. In the middle, you'll hear it snap, and that'll allow it to pop up and out. And this will allow us to take this bumper guard off that makes the seal against the hood. I'm just gonna lay it just right here. It's not gonna hurt anything. And then that loosens the whole top of the bumper, okay? All right, next step is we're gonna be at the, we're gonna come around to the side of the fender right in front of the wheel, and you will see more of those pop style. So this right here, you're gonna push in the center, same thing, push in the center, there should be two. So we'll pop those in, and then that will loosen this up. All right, now for the underside, I'll see if I can see it. I'm literally just laying right on the ground. You should have plenty enough room, but there will be some clips here, I believe. What is that? Looks like 2, 4, like 8. Looks like 8 clips. There will be 2 right there, and then just as you walk along, they're just regular push clips. So we're gonna pop those out, and then that should release the bottom of the bumper. Once you have the bottom clips off the bumper, you should be able to grab this side of your bumper and kind of pull it out. It should release. There we go. Oh, there you go. Once you have that side pulled off, literally the bumper you can just kind of slightly pick it up and pull it out. Out it comes. Now, if you have the factory fog light bezels, you can only pull it out so far, and then you'll have to disconnect that. But base model plebs like me, we don't have that problem. So on this factory grill, to get it out, there's gonna be 3 screws on each side. So let's start by taking those out. All right, now once you've got, there's 6 screws total, 3 on each side. Once you have those out, there will be little tiny pop clip right here, retainer clips, and you can just go through one at a time. You kind of just push down and out on all these one at a time. And then that's it. And the grill, factory grill, come right out. All right, so now we're gonna grab our new Noble sunk-in grill. I don't know what you call this, deep dish grill? I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and place that in there. I'm gonna get one on each side started, okay? I'm gonna start with the outside corners. I'm gonna do that just so it holds the whole thing in. They sent, like I said, they send you some extra screws. And the reason that they send you a bunch of extras is because, like I said, there is no retainer clips here. They have screws set up. So you'll actually, you probably can't see it, but where the retainer clip was, there's actually a screw hole. So you'll kind of pull this down a little bit and then screw that in, and that will keep it retained all the way across. And then there's gonna be across the entire top side as well as the bottom side. This is plastic, right? If you notice, I used a hand screwdriver. I have impacts and tools. It's plastic. Don't be dumb. Don't use that. You're gonna strip that shit out. Use a hand tool. It's gonna be way better. There will be 2 screws left. Those 2 screws, like I said, are for the paint matched emblem. Okay. If you want to use that, it comes with the emblem and the strap. The emblem, of course, would go on the front, however you want to put it. Strap goes through the back. You put the 2 screws on, you're done, okay? I'm not gonna do that, so I'm not gonna cover it. But that's how you do it. And pretty much from here, guys, it's just gonna be reversed to get it all back together. Whatever we did to pull it off, you're gonna do that to put it back on. So I'm not gonna bore you with that. We're just gonna skip right to the end. And there you have it. I think it matches up, looks really clean. I love that that deep dish look. This off here. I think that looks amazing. And then, like I said, if you wanted to, you know, you can add the you could add the emblem to the middle of it with your own sticker if you wanted to keep with a specific theme or something like that. But that's gonna be it for me, guys. I have some other parts that I'd like to install, but it's almost 100 degrees here in Arkansas, and I'm not Joey Montalvo. I don't have an air-conditioned cooled garage, so it's hot out here. I'm gonna call it a day for this one, and on the next episode we'll get a few more performance parts installed. Finally back to some performance. I'll cover that in the next video as well, though. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, like the video if it helps you at all, and let me know in the comments if you guys want to see anything else. Until next time, peace.